be a Myntra haul, and this is my first ever haul video on my YouTube, so I'm really excited for that. So as you know, the Myntra end of recent sale was going on and they had some really cool offers going on. Clothes, accessories, shoes, bags, and also on skincare, hair care and all that. And let me just tell you that Myntra has some really good options on skincare and other like essential items, so you can definitely go and check that out. So I got myself a bunch of all the essential items that I had to restock or had to purchase and everything. So I was going to get everything from Nykaa, but then I saw the Myntra sale was like insane. So I got all my items from Myntra and I'm really excited to show you guys everything. So this is going to be a pretty long video, so let's not waste any more time. And so hair care, I have like categorized all the items. So there is like hair care, skincare and makeup. So for hair care there's only one item, so that's the first thing that I'm going to show you guys. So the first item that I got is one hair serum with vitamin E. I got this hair serum of Livon. This is by far the best hair serum that I've used. Like I used to use the L'Oreal one before this, but that did not do the work that this one does. This really controls frizziness of the hair and makes the hair very shiny and smooth. So I got this. So this is a 50 ml bottle and the price is 125 rupees, which is very much affordable. So I got this one. And if you are like a lot of people are using this, then this will go for like 1 month, I would say. But in my family only me and my mom uses this, so this goes good for like around 3 months. So yeah, that was nothing, but that was the only thing that I needed from hair care section. So now moving on to skincare, and I have a bunch of items on skincare. So firstly I'm going to start by showing you this Peach Milk Soft Creme 24-hour moisture. If you follow me on Instagram, then you have probably seen that this is my most favorite moisturizer. Whatever I buy, whatever I try out, I always end up getting at least one of this. I love the smell of this as well. This is so damn creamy and it's so smooth. It's really good. Plus it's like good for all skin type. So this is a 65 gram product and it costs 100 rupees. So like it goes really good for around 2 months, I would say. So this is the next. So the next two items are from Biotique. So if you know me, then you know that I love Biotique products. It's my most favorite products when it comes to skincare brands. So like apart other than M Caffeine, then Mamaearth and everything, Biotique is one of my most favorite and most trusted brand when it comes to skincare. So the first item that I got is Take Biofruit Whitening Depigmentation and Tan Removal Face Pack. So this is like my most favorite face pack of all time. Even if I have tried out different ones, I always end up buying at least one of this when it's over. So I've already used it today. Plus the smell of this product is, my god, so damn nice. So this is a 50 gram product and its MRP 75. So this is the first thing of Biotique that I got. And the next item that I got is Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub for all skin types. So I got this face scrub again. So if you know me, then so if your skin is like acne prone, because my skin is very much acne prone, I get so much acne and pimple like every month. Literally my skin breaks out a lot. So I would definitely suggest you to go for mild scrubber, like which granules are very mild and is not like harsh on the skin. So go for those. So this is one of those products which has like granules in it. This of course scrubber has granules in it, but these are very much mild and very light on the skin. Plus it has a good smell. Like this scrubber is so damn amazing. So I got this item and it's again a 50 gram product and its MRP is 70. The item that I have here is my sunscreen that I use. It's Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. This is the item. This is my most favorite sunblock lotion. This is by Aroma Magic and it has SPF 30. This is so good, guys. It is very mattifying sunscreen, because there are some sunscreen which feels oily on the skin, but this does not. It's very much mattifying and it's amazing. The smell of this is so damn good. Also this is like suitable for all skin type. 100 ml packaging and the price of this is 350, which is really good. So go for this sunscreen if you're looking for a good. So the next item that I got is this. So this is aloe vera gel by Lever Ayush, and this is my second purchase of this. This is a very big bottle, plus it has such a nice smell of aloe vera. So I got this last year in October, but that got over, so this is like the second purchase. This is my most favorite aloe vera gel, and it costs rupees 80 for like 100 ml 150 gram product. It's 80 rupees, which is very much affordable. So this really cools the skin down. When I used to go to college now, I used to come back, and when it was like in the summer season, basically in the hot climate, my skin used to burn. So when I used to come back, I used to apply a little bit of this on the face, and it used to cool. These are from Mamaearth, and these two items from Mamaearth, I'm trying them for the first time, so I'm a little bit like excited to show you guys the products. So this is my first time ever trying a Mamaearth moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer, oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar, and it's good for acne prone skin. So this is amazing. I have used it 2 times. So this is what it comes in a tube like this, and it's an 80 gram product, which the MRP is $2.99. I just tell you that if you have acne prone skin, like I have acne prone skin, guys, and this is, I've seen so many good reviews about this, that if you have acne prone skin, then do give it a try, because it absolutely works. So I got my hand on this moisturizer. Plus, if you are like the only one using it in your family, then it's gonna go good for like 2 to 2.5 months. So definitely go, like I have used it 2 times now, and the skin feels really good, but it will take time to see actual results. So I'm really hoping that this works out. So this is the first item. If you haven't used Mamaearth products before, then I would definitely recommend you to go and try them out. They are like silicone, and their products are silicone and paraben free. Plus most of their products are suitable for all of skin type, and all the products are dermatologically tested. Plus Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, so you don't have, they recycle all the plastic items and everything. So Mamaearth is amazing. You have to try it out if you haven't. I definitely recommend you to go for their products, because they are very much natural and not at all harmful for your skin. The item from Mamaearth that I got is this under eye cream, the Bye Bye Dark Circles eye cream with cucumber and peptides. I tell you that I did not get this eye cream for me. I got this for my mom, and like, let's see how this works out. So this is a 20 gram product, and the MRP of this is 399 rupees. But it goes really good for a long time, because it's an eye cream, so you're not going to take like too much of that. You just take pea-sized in your finger and just like put it under your eye. So this is really good, and I love the smell of this. I am not using this, but I smell this product. Its smell is so damn good. Plus it's suitable for all skin type, and it's dermatologically tested, so do give it a try if you're looking for a good eye cream. Plus I've seen so many people rave about this product that I had to get that. I read all the reviews, and they were all positive reviews, so that's why. And I'm going to move on to the third category of the haul, that is makeup. So it's not like too like makeup, actually these are all the essential items that you might need. So the first item that I got is 5cc cream, and my shade is 01 Beige. I'll tell you beforehand itself that I am that person who does not like to apply foundation or too much makeup on a daily. So what I generally do is, sometimes when I feel fancy, I apply a BB or a CC cream. So this is my most favorite CC cream by Lakme, and it has SPF in it as well, so it works as a sun protection cream. 9 gram product, and the MRP of this is 99 rupees. This is really good. And CC cream you don't apply a lot, you just take a little bit of it and dab it all over your face. So this is a really good CC cream. I definitely recommend, if you're looking for a good CC cream, go for this one. My shade is 01 Beige, and even it has such a nice fragrance. I'm like, have to admit it, this has such a good smell. So if you have used it, then you definitely know. Next item that I got is this Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact. It is by far the best compact that I've ever used. It comes with a mirror and a sponge as well. This is the sponge, and I showed you guys in the previous video that I had one of these which was like over, so I had to restock this. So this is a great compact, plus it has like SPF 40, and it has such a matte finish. Like when you apply now, I definitely recommend you guys to try this compact if you haven't. And this costs rupees 210, so this is really good. The item that I got is a Maybelline eyebrow pencil. This is from the Fashion Bro Cream eyebrow pencil. So this is what it looks like, and the shade is dark brown. Let me just give you a quick swatch of the shade. So this is what it looks like, you guys can see. And I have done my brows today with this one. It looks so damn natural, and I used to use the Miss Claire one before, which I told that it was really nice and the best, but I think this is my current favorite now. It's a creamy pencil, so you know, you just have to slowly glide it through your eyebrows and it just fills it so damn perfectly. So this is the product, and the MRP of this is 250 rupees. So this is very, very nice. It was quite long and I had a bunch of products that I had to show you guys, and so I hope you guys liked it. This was my first ever haul video, as I mentioned earlier as well. So do leave a comment whether I should make more such videos and whether you liked it or not. And if you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I come up with a new video. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.